What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. In this video, I will be hooking up the MTX CanAm Ryker audio system for my CanAm Ryker rally. Make sure y'all hit that bell, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right to the video. People say this cluster is hard to get off. It's not hard to get off, because once you hit this piece up, you got to push this down. It's a little back piece you just push down. You got to push it kind of hard and it'll release it. So don't say it's hard to get out. It's not hard. Simple. Couple more minutes, YouTube. We will be cutting this radio on. I did have a little difficulty with the handlebars. I actually got them all the way forward, so I'll have to call them tomorrow and see what was that about. And then it played. It's on there. I'm finna add the windshield. Like I say, I don't have no room, but maybe I don't have no room. It's like sit right on there, but I don't know, y'all. Jump in the comments, let me know what y'all think. This was kind of hard. Some of the YouTube videos, they didn't have the 22s. So I took the one out of here and put into the female wire. I need to go ahead and put that in there, but I just had to make sure that worked. And then I ran the play wire into the side like they did say. So, yep. That's in there. We're finna add this windshield. But if I give y'all any advice, let the stereo place do your shit. Spend that $100, $200. That just was a headache for me. And I don't even know if it's on 100% right, but it'll get me by till I drop it off at the shop just to get a double take. So make sure y'all hit that bell. Told you we on the road to 1,000 subscribers, but let's put this thing back on, cut it on, hit a corner. Yeah, finished product. We're gonna cut it on in 1 second. I'm really feeling it, man. This is like a baby Harley now. Let's call me the Ryker Harley guy. But I advise, like I said earlier, I advise anybody, if you hooking up or if you buying this MTX radio, I advise you to let the people hook it up for you. Save all the stress. You come back, you ain't got to worry about nothing. A few things I'm gonna have to take back or let them go check out for me. Like it says too close here and some other things, but we're finna cut this on, man, see how we sound. And man, make sure y'all hit that bell though. Woo. Thumbnail right there, right, y'all? Hit that bell.
Butterflies inside and I got to say,
I told y'all, man. Like I say, you spent about 900 with the shield. You can't go wrong, man. It ain't the best now. It ain't the best.
You taste just so blissful. Listen, I will give you anything, babe. Just let me control. I think you give me butterflies. So baby, you cannot know. You give me butterflies inside. I'm in New York City as we continue on.
I hope you like this video. I'm encouraging anybody out there, if you own a CanAm Ryker, it's okay to go ahead and get the MTX audio system. It's not the best, but it'll do the job. I will be hooking up 2 more speakers with an amp probably next year or maybe later on this year, but I'm satisfied right now. Like I say, I spent about $900 with everything. I installed it myself, but I will say it one more time. Wherever you buy it from, let them install it for you. So next time, hit that bell, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all ride safe, stay safe.